Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Craving something crunchy, tangy, and a little bit spicy? Let's make the ultimate Indian street food staple. Bhel Puri. It's a party in a ball, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Let's look at the ingredients. 3 cups puffed rice, murmura. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 medium tomato, finely chopped. 1 to 2 green chilies, finely minced. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander. 1 tablespoon raw mango, finely chopped. 3 to 4 tablespoons tamarind chutney, imli chutney, sweet and tangy. A half cup nylon save, the very fine yellow gram flour vermicelli. Lime juice. Start with a big ball of crispy puffed rice, or murmura. Add in red chili powder for some spice. Add salt. Add in finely chopped onions. Juicy tomatoes. Add plenty of tamarind chutney for that sweet and sour tang. Add some sweet and spicy tomato sauce. Add in some crunchy save, crushed papri. Add in some green chilies. Garnish with a mountain of fresh coriander. Half a lime juice. Mix all the ingredients until every grain coated but still crunchy. Tangy, spicy, and perfectly sweet. That's how you make the ultimate bhel puri at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments. Are you team extra chutney or team extra save?